Yep. This was broke inside of here. All this shit tore up.
Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got face rolling, niggas say I'm having drugs. Nigga watching on my page, watch them get it. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed. Yeah, 7 pounds, that is it. We don't play around, we drop down and he get killed. And yeah, I'm getting cash, 7 pounds, that is it.
What's up, you guys, man? It's your boy RellToReal, man, back in here with another video. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy, man, RellToReal. Y'all already know what it is, man. Today, okay, it's cold down in Texas. Let me let you know that right now. But today is a little bit more better. So we're gonna break this thing up in. As y'all see, I got the hood open right now. On what is that? The TA, man. Yes, sir. We got the TA in today. About to get ready and do the lights on this thing. I told y'all, man, it's grind season. Got my guys over there. We ain't at work, y'all. We off right now. Y'all see a bunch of motorcycles in here. No, we are not racing bikes right now. No, sir. He said, what? Bikes? We got Josh in here. We got Gordo over here. He working on hills. He got them sundown. He just wants some type of base, don't it? He said, forget it. I ain't got the Colossals. I'm gonna put the sundown in it for right now. But we about to get ready and get off to work. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to get ready to start removing this bumper. Starting the process on that. They don't never remove the wheels, but I always remove the wheels for some reason. I don't know why. I think it's just quicker for me to get to it. I don't like digging my hands down in it, so let's go ahead and start this process. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Okay, so first of all, you start off taking these plastic pieces off right here. Then you gotta take these rivets out. Right there, they keep the bumper intact. Then I'm gonna take out the wheels. Then we're gonna take the ones out the inside, do all that. And then we're gonna have to go up onto the bottom because we have to remove that other part from the top. But this gotta go today. I'm taking that out. No more front license plate gonna be on there. They ain't paying me. So we finna get that up off there. ASAP though. I have to put some sliding drip rollers on here. Now y'all gotta get in here, take out all these pins and rivets. I hate these. Them the ones that break. I don't know why they put them off in there. That's crazy. But we gotta get them off. I don't know if y'all can even see them. Now y'all can see them tight rivets right there. You gotta stick a pin through them, then take them out. And most of the time break, but here's what it is. They all the way around this thing. Dang, that sucks. Yep, they all around there. Oh well, let's get started. So I got this part down, that piece down right there. Now let's go do the other side. Okay, I already got the screw out of there. I got the screws out of there, 2 of them. They're going there. I'm getting these screws at the bottom right here. Right over there. All these, all them, they gotta be removed. On that, y'all know I got these pins, so they in between my grill. So we'll make sure we pull that out right. Y'all see, got the whole front off right there. Throw it up. Tan on my white car already. Golly. What happened, man, when you do customization? Yes, sir. Got some broken pieces down here. Where the hell this stuff come from? This. Yep. This was broken inside of here. All this shit tore up. Yeah, all this shit tore up. Somebody bottomed out on this car. Might be my wife, cause she broke her last bottom grill. She probably bottomed out. Already they wrecked the car. Tore up plastic pieces. Y'all see? It's crazy. It's supposed to look like this, but now it's like that. Straight pieces. I'm gonna cut that off. Get all that plastic from right there. We don't need it. Okay, y'all, so we about to get ready. Take the heads out. I'm about to get ready to take the headlights out. Clean them all too while I'm at it. But them all dirty. And then I gotta put the grill lights and everything in too. It's so different than the Challenger, bro. Right on this side and then on this side. But it ain't gonna cover it? Oh, okay, okay. Alright, well, we got the concept, so let's get started. Love this fucking piece, man. Stronger than the damn big piece. Okay, we got the headlights out. Got both of them things out. Have to clean them things off. Yes, sir. Got them out of there. So look, we finna start this process. Getting it all installed. The RGB boards put in. Shout out to RGB Halo kits. That's where I get my lights from. Make sure y'all hit them up. Y'all need any lights. Get them there, grab them, and we'll install them here for you. Yeah, so we just had to remove this on here. You know, cause they got the Scat Pack ones, they got the Hellcat one. Got TA inside. This junk light up, y'all, but this factory though. So I had to remove that. Now I'm about to go ahead and open them things up. Okay, y'all, got this thing going. Some thing bust open. Yes, sir. We got one back together already. It ain't on the car yet. Hold on. Dang, I knew it was in too close. But yeah, we got one on the car already. We got one almost done. It's not all the way done. I gotta seal it back up, but I already got the DRLs in. So I'm putting these DRLs in right now on this one, right here and right here. And we on our way. It took me a minute to kind of get them open. That's the longest process, getting them open, bust open and stuff, and then the resealing of them. That's the longest process, but it's coming together. Thought I was gonna do the underglow. I don't know. Might wait till the next video, or I might wait till later on, another day. But we finna get this thing back together. I don't know what time it is. I'm kind of lost on time right now. So I'm gonna catch you guys in a little while. Peace. Why I keep doing that? Hold on.
So do you want me to talking about the?
I mean, you right here.
All right, guys. So I came out to help Real.
To give me a hand.
To give him a hand. You know, like again, we're all getting ready for this this event. So we're doing what we got to do here right now. But I've just done for him, because I'm installing the grill lights for him, which will be shining here. So when you look at the whole part, for example, you see this big thing here. This support for your bumper. Your bumper really fills up into here, so your grill is really approximately about here. So we installed the light behind it so he can get a glow at the top. I'm about to integrate this one the bottom of the unit too, so he can have a glow in the bottom and have upper lower glowing of his grill lights. And he's also finishing up the headlights. We're gonna tie it in together to be able to have it set up where they can use their phone and get it done.
I just thought about this. The hood light probably won't even work because my hood is functional.
Your hood is functional.
Yeah, my hood is functional.
I can make it work.
We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work.
You know my name?
I think it gotta go up under there.
You know what my name is?
Audio Cat.
J Cruz, Audio Cat. We're gonna get it done. Stay tuned. We're gonna get some stuff Mission Impossible done here.
That's why it's a TA. You know, our hood is not functional.
Don't do this. No, this is functional.
Dysfunctional.
And I like that. Actually, you know what?
And they say it boosts more horsepower like that.
Oh, you just gave me an idea.
You can put this on your car.
And have it
and it'll create more boost and more airflow.
It'll create more airflow. I'm actually doing this. I didn't pay attention to that, but I do like the way that it throws the cold air into my. I actually like that a lot, guys. Actually, I can't because I got a vent here. My car's a small vent here.
But it don't matter. That vent can be covered.
Yeah.
It don't need it.
I don't really care about that. I need this more.
Yeah, because you'd rather that be covered in a way, because you gotta think about it. With that cold air intake plate, that water still gets up in there.
Yeah, I'd rather have this.
That water leak down. That'll stop the water from leaking down in.
I would really have this. You can show me something.
Nah, that'll work. We're gonna put it on camera then.
Look who we got. Guess
you got hairlines and shit. I'm still looking terrible. Huh?
It's okay. I thought you said you.
Bro, you was new.
You said you do your own haircut, so why didn't you shape yourself?
No, that's Tony.
I ain't got no more clips.
Tony said that.
Okay, y'all, we up here getting everything buttoned back up. It was a lot of work, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. A lot of work, but we're getting it back together right now. Just installed the headlights back on. Show y'all what they look like in a little while. But we're gonna keep working. Get this thing finished up, and then I'll show you guys really the finished product. I ain't gonna drag y'all along with all this installation type stuff. So give me 1 second and I'll be right back.
1 hour later.
Yes, sir. Y'all see it? Got my wife lighting up. Got my wife lighting up. Yes, sir. So y'all outside Hold on, let me get this tape. Now y'all can see it better without that, what you call. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna have that shade down just a little bit. Well, it ain't gotta be shade down. I'm gonna wrap right over them holes. You ain't gonna never know they was there, ever. That's what I'm gonna do. Wrap over the holes. All right, you pull this thing out, y'all. Here we go. Now y'all see it at nighttime. It look real good. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Make them lights go off. There they go. They went off then. Yes, sir. Make sure the orange one still. Yep, the orange one still works. You know what I'm saying? That's what we doing at Audio Zone, man. Shout out to RGB Halo Kits. Y'all need your set. Make sure y'all hit them up, man. RGB Halo Kits. This thing finna go crazy. It's finna go crazy. Yes, sir. Y'all see I got the two holes shining in the, oh, that's hard. Cause y'all know that is a TA, so the hood scoop is functional now. But we got it to work. We got it up in there. Yes, sir. It look dangerous. I like that. I like the two little holes right there. That's hard. 1, 2. Dang, her car gonna be different than everybody's. Dang, her lights fire. Okay, y'all, so I'm checking out with another video, man. I appreciate y'all, man. We're gonna keep grinding. We're gonna keep rocking out with each other. We just gonna keep living life, man. Let me put this seatbelt on, man. But I appreciate you guys, man, more than you guys ever would know. I appreciate you guys, man. I love all of you guys. And man, I just love entertaining you guys each and every single day, man. But I appreciate y'all, love the support. Y'all already know what time it is. Your boy RellToReal. Hey man, say man, hey man, it's your boy, man. RellToReal, man. That like button, that subscribe button, that share button, go ahead and bust it down. And I'm out of here like last year. Peace.
Neighbors say I'm getting too much paper. I got banks rolling, niggas say I'm having drip. Nigga watching on my page, watch them get it. We don't play around, we drop down and it get killed. 7 pounds, that is it. We don't play around, we drop down and it get killed. And yeah, I'm getting cash, 7 pounds, that is it. She popped the sand, the bitch is sleeping. My crew too fast, police done see me.